dusty ass garage with its ass and dust. All right, here we go. This is the setup. I'm sure of it. Just makes my gut look so what? I'm pretty sold on this spot right here. This is nice. Even, you can see the garage, you can see me. It's really easy for me to get my lights sorted out. Camera's at a good angle. I do have to use the wide angle though, so I gotta get my Busta Rhymes, Missy Elliott, woo-ha going on. That's alright though. Alright, got my light over there. Got a little hair light going on over there. It's fine, it's hair light because I'm bald. Some good contrast. It's good for me. I like the mood. Tones down the severity of how yellow this room is. Kind of. I mean, it's still hella. What I really like about this position is we go from being up here. Come on down here. I want to talk to you about these parts right here. So we got the ST Coilovers. For the E38, they only have one option for coilovers, and that is just the X line, which they also carry the XA and the X Exhibit, and I forgot the other models. It doesn't matter. Those are not applicable to my situation. So here we are. We've got these ST coilovers that I can't do anything with at the moment. I did have the foresight to order new mounts. Got new mounts. All four of them, and the rear ones came with the rubber pads. So the spring pads came with the mounts for the rear, but the fronts did not. So the fronts are a separate part number, and it looks like they're not going to be here for another 4 days. So that's the suspension project. That's where it's at. We've got some stuff that I need to wait for, and then we're going to get busy. Do a little work. Get this thing lowered. Make babies. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm out of here. Later.